Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to restore your old nail polish. So keep on watching this video and make sure you try out this hack. If you're thinking of throwing out your old nail polish, then this video is definitely for you. I've had this nail polish over 2 years now and I don't even dream of throwing them out. Whenever I want to apply it on myself or someone, I'll just quickly boil hot water and dip it into the hot water for some minutes. So as you can see, the consistency of this nail polish is almost dried out. It doesn't have that runny consistency. So for this hack, you'll be needing one basic ingredient, which is pure water from heaven. So what I did was just to boil hot water and pour this into this lavender basin. Okay, after you are done, the next step is just for you to put all the nail polish, your own nail polish, into it. As you can see, the water is very hot and my camera is not catching the vapor. So what you just have to do is just to put it and make sure it covers. Make sure the nail polish is fully immersed in the hot water. I leave this for about some minutes before the water gets cold. Well, I had to take out some hot water because it was almost covering the nail polish container. So the next step is to use nail polish remover to clean your nail polish container. Okay, so to make it look very new, even the I had to clean the mouth, the cover. Yeah, I had to clean the cover too for it to look new and all. So this is just the basic hack. As you can see, the consistency is now runny. It's not that thick. You can easily apply it on your nail without doing rubbish. Okay, so try out this hack and let me know if it worked out in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.